little update on the tail end of the Daytona build here. Where he clamped to get this welded to this panel. I wasn't filming there. Where he clamped to get this tail clamped to that, the ears of the clamp like put little dimples, and he's going through working hammer and dolly and trying to pound all these little things down, and he's got a pretty good job done here so far. You got a little more work to do in this corner.
Oh, I know it. I got a
combination of tapping and grinding.
Some light filler where I had to grind that off to level all that out.
Yeah.
And then you got to beware this panel here. Right here, there's a lip.
Yeah, you can see it. I don't know if this is an AMD Second.
I think it is, because look, it looks like a piece of metal wrapped over, but that's all supposed to be smooth. So the stamping wasn't good, and apparently it got by.
Yeah, it looks like two pieces of metal there.
Yeah, I know it does.
Yeah, you can see it really.
Yeah, there you can really see it.
Just like a...
Must have got caught in the scraper and
got Dunlap's disease. The metal done lapped over itself.
It did. Okay, you had to...
Was it pass inspection?
No, I had to sand on that a little bit.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, see?
I haven't taken 400 over it.
See those two little holes there?
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know that that'll do it, will it?
That's 220.
Should take that right off.
Okay.
Here we go. They're just about gone.
Last of them. Very close now. I'm gonna respray all the sanded places white, including like there. There's lots of spots that got worked. You can see that was a little pinhole there that got filled with a little bit of the old gold. All right, so last round of touch-ups and things to do before red, and this red is only 3/4 full. So I've already sprayed how many gallons? Over 2 gallons on the car.
You do realize your tarp out there on your 67 is doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah, it's trash.
Because it's
so I gotta buy another gallon of red before we get going. So we've mixed up some more white, and all of the spots that I sanded that had issues, I'm going to respray some white, and then the whole car will get sanded. And then this foam, I don't know the foam that we're using, since we sanded and all that dust got in there, it's not sticking the best. It did great for the spray out, don't you think?
Yeah.
And kept the white off of all the red that's already sprayed. But since it's all fluttering, I don't want to be spraying red and have it be fluttering, and then
if you put it in and spray right away, I think that works best. But to leave it sit for 2 or 3 weeks, it loses its adhesion and it just doesn't work well.
Yeah.
It's not made to do it that way, obviously.
Yep. So we're gonna spray some white.
Hey.